In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT to analyze your trading charts, step by step. This is a great way to gain insights from complex data using artificial intelligence. First off, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, type ChatGPT. This will lead you to a list of search results. Among these, look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it. This should take you directly to the ChatGPT homepage. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign icon. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. This is your gateway to upload additional files and photos that you might want to analyze. After clicking the plus icon, you should see an option to add photos and files. Click on this option. The platform will prompt you to select files from your device. Now, you'll need to have a screenshot or a saved image of the trading chart you wish to analyze. Locate this screenshot on your device, select it, and upload it to the ChatGPT platform. Having successfully uploaded your trading chart, the next step is to prompt ChatGPT with a specific query. In this instance, you might type a prompt like, "Analyze the attached EUR/USD 1-hour chart with RSI and moving averages. Based on these indicators, what are potential entry and exit points for a short-term trade?" This prompting will guide ChatGPT to focus on the specific areas of analysis you are interested in. Ensure that your prompt is clear and includes any specific indicators or timeframes you want the AI to consider. The clarity of your prompt is crucial because it helps ChatGPT to give you the most relevant and insightful analysis possible. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, the next step is simply to send it. Look for the Submit button on the interface and click it to send your request. After you hit Submit, ChatGPT will process your request and soon it will provide you with its analysis. The response will typically include insights based on the indicators you specified, giving you valuable information on potential trading strategies and insights. This process leverages the computational power and learning capabilities of ChatGPT to assist in trading decisions. Be sure to cross-check the analysis with your own insights and understand that, while AI can assist, it isn't foolproof and should not be solely relied upon for financial decisions. By following these steps, you can transform complex trading data into actionable insights, thereby enhancing your trading strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these steps helpful in getting the most out of ChatGPT for your trading analysis.